Alright, a lot of people have been asking, can you fix a wheel? The damage is inside on this wheel. Can you fix it with JB wheel? Well, to be honest with you, that could be fixed. I mean, it's possible to fix the problem, but not sure. So what I did, I just have a big old hole. You can clearly see it's this big. It's a big old chunk missing on the wheel, and put just tape on the bottom. That way they can be flat. And I just, put the JB wheel on top of that. I use a complete tube because it's kind of thick, and I just put it on, and just gonna let it sit there overnight and see what happens. Those wheels are for SS camera, and I just want to fix it that way I can move the car. Obviously, I'm not gonna use it in a highway, but we'll see what happens. Hope it holds. So yeah, use the JB well, and I just clean the surface a bit and put it on, see what happens. All right, JB well, baby. All right, finally been cured. You can see it's already solid. So we'll see if it holds. I'm just gonna remove the tape. Like I said, put a tape on in there. Obviously it's gonna be oh, so there you go. You can see how big the hole was, and let me tell you, it's pretty good, huh? So we'll see what happens. It's just gonna mount the tire and put some air on it, and I'll keep you posted.